Have you ever wondered whether your financial situation is better or worse than the average American? Maybe you're ahead in the race, or maybe silently falling behind. Knowing your net worth is one thing that can take your life from stress to financial freedom. In this video, we'll break everything down. What net worth actually means, where you stand compared to others in your age group, and most importantly, how you can grow your net worth faster in ways you probably haven't even thought of. You're watching Ya Dollar Curbs, a channel that makes money talk simple and smart. Let's get started. Before we dive in, why net worth actually matters. Most people assume that as long as they're earning and paying bills, they're doing fine. But income alone is not a true indicator of financial health. Think about this. Two people can earn $80,000 a year. One might have a growing investment portfolio and no debt. The other might have zero savings and a mountain of credit card debt. On paper, their income is the same, but their net worth tells two completely different stories. So if you really want to measure how financially healthy you are, net worth is the number that tells the truth. Let's define net worth again, simply. So first, let's clear this up. What exactly is net worth? In simple words, your net worth equals your total assets minus total liabilities. Assets mean anything valuable you own, like cash, investments, real estate, and retirement accounts. Liabilities mean your loans, credit card balances, and other kinds of debt. If your assets are more and liabilities are less, your net worth is positive. If it's the opposite, then your net worth is negative. An average net worth by age, where do you stand? Now let's take a look, age-wise, at what the average net worth looks like, and where you stand, age 20 to 24. In this range, the average net worth is around $8,000. Most people at this stage are either in student loan debt or just starting their careers. So if you're close to zero, don't worry, it's normal. Age 25 to 29. This group's average net worth is roughly $15,000. At this point, people start earning a somewhat stable income, and the thought process around savings and investing begins. Age 30 to 34. Now the average net worth rises to about $50,000. This jump happens because of things like marriage, home buying, and career growth. But even if your net worth is still low, don't stress. You still have the full benefit of compounding ahead of you. Age 35 to 39. Here, the average net worth is around $100,000. If you haven't hit six figures by the end of your 30s, it's time to start making a solid plan. Being late is fine, staying late isn't. Age 40 to 44. Now the average net worth is around $150,000. At this stage, retirement planning becomes serious, and you're likely also planning for your kids' education or managing a home loan. Age 45 to 49, average net worth around $250,000. If you've been consistently saving and investing, hitting this milestone is very possible. Age 50 to 54, average net worth here hits $300,000. But many people start feeling financial pressure now, like healthcare costs or gaps in their retirement fund. At age 55 to 59, average net worth crosses $400,000. At this stage, you should be focusing on aggressive saving and tax-efficient investing for retirement. Age 60 to 64. Here, average net worth climbs just over $500,000. Social Security benefits, 401k, and IRA accounts start playing an active role. Age 65 to 70. This group is mostly retired and the average net worth stays around $500,000. But many people rely on downsizing Medicare and passive income sources like dividends or rental income. Now, how to interpret these numbers? These numbers are averages, not targets. Don't treat them like hard goals. Instead, use them as benchmarks to track your own progress. If you're 35 and your net worth is $30,000, that's not failure. It's just a signal to adjust your plan, increase your savings rate, and take action. And remember, net worth can grow fast when you start doing the right things consistently. So, where do you stand? So now the question is, how does your net worth compare to these numbers? If you're below average, don't feel guilty. This video could be your fresh start, and if you're ahead, don't get too comfortable. Let's now talk about how to grow your net worth. 1. Spend less than you earn. This sounds simple, but most people fail here. If you can save even a little each month, invest it. Make a budget and cut unnecessary expenses. Tip: use apps like YNAB, Mint, or spreadsheets to track where every dollar is going. You'll be shocked how many expenses can be reduced or eliminated. 2. Invest early and consistently. The earlier you start investing, the more you benefit from compounding. Whether it's SIPs, index funds, or retirement accounts, consistency matters more than the amount. Example: starting at age 25 with just $200 per month can grow to over $500,000 by retirement. Starting at 35 with double the amount won't get you the same result. Time is the ultimate multiplier. 3. Increase your income. Start a side hustle, upgrade your skills, or look for better job opportunities. The higher your income, the more you can save and invest. Ideas? Freelancing, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, tutoring, consulting, or starting a small online business. The internet gives you thousands of options. All you need is effort and strategy. 4. Avoid bad debt. Credit card debt or high-interest loans can drain your net worth. Try to keep your debt minimal or zero. Good debt, mortgage or student loans with low interest. Bad debt, credit cards, payday loans, car loans with high APRS. Pro tip: pay off high-interest debt first. It gives you a guaranteed return equal to the interest rate. Track your net worth regularly. Once every quarter or 6 months, calculate your net worth. This habit will keep you motivated and help you get closer to your financial goals. Tools you can use: Personal Capital, Tiller Money, Excel, Google Sheets tracking makes it real. When you see the numbers move, you stay on track. Bonus tips to supercharge your net worth: 1. Automate savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. Make it a non-negotiable bill, like rent. 2. Learn about taxes. Reducing your tax liability legally can save you thousands. Use retirement accounts like Roth IRA, 401k, and HSAS smartly. 3. Own instead of rent when ready. Buying property strategically can increase your net worth in the long term. Just make sure you're financially ready and it fits your lifestyle. 4. Stay consistent and patient. Building net worth is a marathon, not a sprint. Small steps today lead to big results later. So friends, net worth isn't just some boring number. It's the scoreboard of your financial life. Track it at every age, work on improving it, and always think long term. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And always remember, financial freedom is a journey and Dollar Curbs is right here with you.